ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ki Kyrtong ki ban Ïakhun ha ka Elekshon Shiteng Samoi ni ki artli ki constituency ki lawan ban Thep Kyrteng menta kasngi ka hnyo tarik ubnai risau arajar arpuway hadisi office Shillong ki Kyrtong ki balawan Thep Kyrteng menta kasngi ki kentup ya uba Highlander Kharmalki u Kyrtong ke Congress na maurung keneng constituency uba Kennedy Krem u Kyrtong ke Congress na Mauplang constituency uba Penyait Singsem u Kyrtong ke NPP na maurung keneng constituency bad uba Lamprang bala u Kyrtong ke NPP na Mauplang constituency Hadu ba penmi ia kena ke khubor kila don sangur ki Kyrtong ki balawan ban Thep Kyrteng ki ba kentup ya u Eugene Son Lingdo Kyrtong ke UDP na Mauplang constituency u balawan ban Thep Kyrteng menhenin ke sngi ke hendreu tarik ubnai risau arhajar arpuway
Kemudian tu sipap sa. Lata kadon pedang cuba mukul buat doktor mukul buat besan pala kata kamu dia berkat mau kena konsumsi. Dia hawa dia macam warna kata kan kami rap lagi nama itu kita nampak dan buat ni kita dah sini lagi jangan warna tidak lagi warna tak kan kompetitif outcome ni. Ngalai le sana ka UDP antara ka PDF beroar ini parti di bawah ni 75% kita berselang buat kongres parti pengulang adu minta. Tapi lagi jungi kajilah jungi ia rumah ki sistem juga kasi kan menjadi isu buat kita cuk pemerintah di tapi orang apa transportation, agriculture, rural development kita berfight mungkin masuk di naiba ada apa yang kamu malah pasti kau dia kata ngamla wan tim ki tray dengan sui babun ki mongongem mompat tray kasi si mon kenang kita kiba kia persangan bu mongongem mulai tapi pet pap tangi ka jakar gobarit manasna saya kata si kamu pak danyam hi kata sekarang kata tapi mo tadi kata kadon ni kum kata si publik pet baru mulai ke Shillong Song Kham semua kelang ke Shillong ke lahir dan kami kita mulai kiwi bercium kubu sekarang tak singkat kami cepat pak tak bas pundi nak kuat support ai kata si ai tak PC mulai kami tolong kamu akan apa sudah tak
terkait dengan kalau ini ngelak sekri konsumsi Mauplang ngelak sansnem Dua arjar kalah, dua arjar katra penai march ngarem no, dan mentah ngapai yang supaya ba, buat ngayok kejeng Kristyan no supaya ba mentah. But I have no doubt, but this time I'm winning. Menilai, bakuat penmi imlak penkan. Ada ukuran bakuat penmi na yeruk ngi kibi kepang imlak penkan. Tehendai kejeng kalong ba, UMDC jengi umi, naga parti kongres. Hadian South Term baka kongres kelak penjob yu. Tremkan sikentian ni ke parti. Tementah ki parti men jengi kisah bangi. Yang apa umi ulai umurwe ngingin siang bagi. Ada uhaman ulai yang beriau ngi ki parang nombor di ubal isa bagi beriau jungu ngingin sa bagi kami. Teki kongres jungi merok bentagi nongkersan jungi tidak buat ngi bagi parti kongres. That's what I'm so confident. Ngam tarai berkata kasim petibut kanda kata atau kata. Nomor ba ke lais nang Shiteng ke bau pai ba ulama ya ke jenglong meli jungi lead Elekshon pai ba ulama sutu mentah. Kandon kasim petibut nagi bahaya. Hari kanumdan kesempet hibur hadu kata-kata no pai ba. Ka plus point jengah ni kalong ba ngalak sakri sansnem ki pai ba kali i ke jingtrai jengah. Bad hadian mengarem no menga ki pai ba ki sedang bandong ba ki babe banga ngarem. Bad mentah ke jeng babe juki kalong ba kiwan pai yang sengam. To re-elect me as MLA kedai namar ba ki lai i ya ki ai ki kam jengah ki bangalale ki sansnem. Ngalawan ra massive development in 5 years. Ki road ngalak ki surak ngalasna keleng-keleng ki college, Sanan Commerce College ngelawan ra. Ka PhD Mauplang ka bala sakut kat sansnem mensua mentangi layo ya ka CHC ba kedai gawena ka CHC Bopau Papua East Castle District. Ki ADV School Altli ki balai kror ka we. Nang tapat bun ki we ki bangalale. Ti kini ki penlong yang menta bangas camp bagi pai ba menta ki pai biang ban a ki junction ya.
Sir, yesterday they did not come in the morning. That's what I told you, no? Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Come.
I, Sri Lamprangla, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Kita mentasi ada berfile ke nomination jonga, but kita malami sekat pada sebutan election, ya kremen ni bukan poin Kyrtong, Kataru lembaga jing Kyrtong joki, baiklah mengjit juga Moklang konstitusi. Hanya lalami na kongres. Bagaimana bikin aktiviti ba di lokasi kongres kiman iban trilang warna dapat kita di semua zona mana trilang baki kubu MDC tala dan South ni ada ki paiba juga Moklang konstitusi ki ai ka jing sini ai na kita penjotnya di sen bomita di kebankong dan ya sedang paiba bahwa ya ka doi kapar aga jinge kita ba juga konsensi dia kedua jinge kamda maka jikio syafran untuk belang kesana
te hakabiti bakani ka kam kejongi hapo konstituensi ni lah persyang banyatrai rengkat-rengkat berki paiba rengkat-rengkat berki borshnong berki managing committee jung ki school ki self help group ki longkeme ki sports club ki sengsamla kumno banwanra ya kata ka konstituensi jungi ka babit ka biang hakiliang baro khamtam yakini ki developmental activities ki fair te nakaliang jungi kum MDC ngila persyang hai bor baret nalor kani ka kam development bat kunju ki kam baide ban shnaan hapo district council shibun teli kiba long kajing yarap ha namta kipai ba khasi gejungi te kerpang ru nakamta ka constituency ni so ban ong ba ni lada kipai ba kin ailat ngi ban long ko MLA ka baning kong ya ni so ban penpau ba ni ne training ringkat ki portionong namta ban wanra ikiniki basic necessities kiba kipai ba we dan kam namta jongkashnom kum ko umbam umdi drinking water supply nangta ki surop ki babit ki babian namta ban sup kali kawan nangta ki boarding electric ben penpoi scheme light shabaro ki longyeng ki baduk khamtam na kenika soviet slovakia scheme kabla yo nak central government bala dangin yo alat ku MLA le sik pun ki tu ki yeng ki bampat yo ru ni trailang ki borshnong ben penpoi bar kumju ru nakamenta ka jingkot jingkha kumbangi I menta habaide bakalat jing sumar kumbalong lese kishnong kitha po constituency jungi kidang duna teh kabide bakani ngila persyangkat bala kum kamaurin keneng naka PHC ngila la ban yo ban convince ya ka government dan ben yo jingirap na government bangin yo eka CHC kani kamde ka jing mentoi jungi shimet inde jing mentoi jung government inde ka de ka jing mentoi kipai ba bakan la ban ajing syakri habaide bakal kya kumjur kiwe ki kini ki healthcare facilities kiba nasi ki kiban la ban penbit penbiang hakini ki center kiba fair nakaliang jungi ngaso kata berkabar pat namta jing mentoi hi jung pai ba constituency ni kwa men kran shai bakani ka MLA scheme kebadan arkro Shiteng shisnam kan debet jung pai ba hakini ki snam ki brangsa kani ka Shiteng Samoi
government kadap tang ban bu yu taw mau nong rem handrai klem dan kajing pentrai kam
phi habede bakani kan sami kum kita namar ba mla haba ai menta la shai kala lo menta kumba kalong ka status ka bakat du ka bengiyo kalong balak dep na dong shedong ikanika new building jong ka CSC stang men shift ya kanika existing PHC syaka CSC tang kata la dep lut ki kam ki jam te hoi ki kindan be kita kinya ban penram ni ngimsui ai mereka pai ba ki khamtip khamhai kata ni so ban penpau jing ai ku play kerpang i state president jong ka UDP menen kala mi ka statement na ka seng UDP bagi ajing Kershan ini but mentat ru ngidang file nomination tai don lang i candidate jong ka UDP haka MDC election namar baki lawan Kershan te bat kani kan kanang penklan chu ajing trekam jungi bat nam ta jing anglut jong kipai ba nam ta ga jing kelah konstituensi bat kumju ngamsu dani ai ban keren habedi kendram juki wegi parti nakal yang jungi ngin persyang ban pelik jingmut ya kini ka kamenta bahakalai fotorik ngin pendap hok ya ta kamera melik berkabut bat arterik ngin sayo ka jingjong kani di ka constitutional rights jong kipai ba banjit nom ikmat klem penbor da kinunu kiseng henrei deka constitutional rights bat kipai ba kisutu kata bat ngiru ngi penselur kipai ba bahakalai fotorik kidiban mi syakmat ban Thep ya kabut ka jongki banam pensap bat ban yo yonom khmat uba tmai hagani kanti ka bamta.
We are very confident that in all the three constituencies NPP will come out victorious, but as a party and as candidates and as leaders we cannot take things lightly. There is no question of being overconfident. We know that the people will support us, but it is our duty to work till the last and ensure that we win with maximum margin as possible. So we will work hard, and with the kind of support we're getting and the response we're getting from the people, I'm very sure that in all the three constituencies we'll come out with flying colours. You see, there is the question of anti-incumbencies does not arise. We have been working very hard. We have been doing a lot of developmental works. People have been seeing it. There are issues and concerns which every government has and faces. We are not saying that everything has been perfect, but if you look at the overall work that has been done in the last 3.5 years, especially with the challenge of COVID in front of us, the government has done its best that it could, and therefore we are quite confident that people will see all of that and respond in a positive manner. At the same time, the people will also look at the individual candidates who have done a lot of work. Pindyad has been a person who has been an elected representative from there, and he has done a lot for his people. Similarly, Mantri Bla has been a person who has been elected 4 times from his constituency. So people have connection with them, people have love for them, and I'm sure that their personal rapport with the people will also reflect very positively in this election, and we are sure that with their personal rapport and the support of the party, we will win all the 3 seats in this by-election. Well, it depends on which Congress is talking about it, because there seem to be 3 or 4 Congresses right now. The divided house that is there in the Congress first has to get their house in order. So really, I think the Congress does not have the luxury right now to really look at us and blame or try to point fingers at us. It's important that Congress should get their house in order first, should sort out their differences. But I don't think that will be possible. And in this election, we have already seen large differences coming out. And therefore, we are very confident that whatever they say is not going to have an impact in the sense that they are not united themselves. On the other hand, the work that we have done is for everybody to see. Therefore, we are confident that people will see all the work. In spite of the challenges we faced, people will see the work and will vote for the candidate of the NPP in this election.